You was good until she pulled up. You scared of a pussy, Mr. Patton. You scared of pussy Patton? He's controlled by that bitch right there. Mommy, get off my mom! Get off my mom! And I said it.
Why are you acting like that all of a sudden?
Why are you acting like that all of a sudden?
I'm not.
You was good until she pulled up. You scared of a Mr. Patton. You scared of Patton?
What are we talking about?
Exactly. You weren't just acting like this downstairs until she pulled up.
I'm not.
Now it's something different. You scared of pussy Patton? I guess you are. I'm taking the stairs. You're taking the damn wrong. If you said it's not mine, but oh, that shit is out.
This Charlotte County, Florida bodycam raises three converging legal questions. The limits of police authority in civil disputes, the constitutional line between protected speech and prosecutable disorder, and the precise statutory moment a misdemeanor becomes two felonies under Florida law. The analysis that follows focuses on doctrine.
Hi.
Did one of y'all call us?
I actually call because
Okay.
I'm getting my son right now,
Okay.
and this man has a lot of our stuff upstairs, and I want to go up there, but I need to be accompanied by somebody to make sure that all my belongings are out of his house. If I am not able to go up there, then that means I'm not able to get all my belongings, which means if he is able or wants anything of his, he will not receive it.
Okay. I mean, you used to live here, or?
I've never lived with him.
Okay. Why does he have your stuff?
They had my daughter's ferrets for a couple of nights, which they said it was okay.
Okay. How long? So you were staying here, but you don't live here?
No, I wasn't ever staying here.
But your son's staying here, and he's just all that stuff. That's your son. Who's okay. So this is obviously someone you know and trust if your son's here.
I thought I trusted.
Gotcha.
Until
Sure.
I saw what they would be willing, how far they would be willing to go.
So he knows you're here, and he's gonna come down, or?
He came down. I don't want any of my belongings, my son's belongings, her boyfriend's belongings, or her belongings in that room.
Does he understand that you're here just to get all the stuff
He
out?
doesn't seem to understand that because you see, my battery's about to die. I need a new battery. I have not gotten checks.
For your phone, you're talking about?
No, for my whole car. And he thinks that I'm going to give him back the only thing that helps my car move. You think I'm going to give that back? By the way, I gave one to somebody already.
Okay.
So technically, I'm getting it back.
Do you have your ID, ma'am?
I'm not giving this back. And he, no.
Yeah, you're done with this, right? You just want your son and your stuff, or your?
I want all of our stuff.
And Dominic's stuff too.
And Dominic's stuff.
Well, I can't hang out. What you're asking for is, I understand why you're asking it, but we consider it a standby, and I'm not allowed to do standbys for situations like this. But what I can do is make sure he's not going to cause any issues.
I want to make sure our stuff is out of there.
Yeah. So
You do understand what
I promise you I do.
So what do
But if
I
there's-
understand what you're, because I must
I'm not allowed to do
something.
standby. So this would be considered a standby, which is civil, where you are trying to collect items, but you want law enforcement present to make sure everything goes smoothly. We're not allowed to do that.
Oh, I want law enforcement present because they said if I was on this property, they were going to arrest me, which I know is
Who
an
said
absolute
that?
lie.
Like the management here or
No,
something?
Bear told me that the management said that.
Well, that's just nonsense, probably.
And that's why,
So.
because if I'm not banned from here, I can clearly just walk up there myself and get it. It's not that serious.
Yeah, your son's here. You don't have to go anywhere. So, but I mean, you obviously your intention makes sense to me. You just want your son. You want your crap out of there.
That's it.
So you're doing the right thing.
Okay.
But I'm not allowed to stay here and wait for all this to go down.
I just needed to make sure
But
I was
let me-
actually not banned so I could go get my
Yeah, I don't really even care to look into it if management's not here. So
Thank
if you have your ID with you, I'll get that done. I'll try and make phone contact with this guy and make sure there's not going to be any issues for you. What's up, man?
How you doing, sir?
You just trying to get her stuff so she can get out of here?
Yep.
All right. Do you have your ID on you, bud? And then I'm not going to stay here either.
It's upstairs.
Can I'll walk up with you. How much other stuff you got?
I think we got most of the stuff. We got all the stuff.
right now.
All right. Just be done with it, dude. Get everything out of there so that way they don't have to come back here. You know what I mean?
So yeah, like they can't. Yeah, she can't get in. She can't go in there. She's not allowed to go in there.
In your apartment?
Yeah, she's not allowed to go there.
Hey, ma'am.
She's actually
I don't
not
know.
allowed to go in there.
Does she have keys or anything?
No.
Is it locked?
The door is unlocked. But the lady said she has problems with coming here. This is not supposed to come here.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
Is she going upstairs? Gotcha.
and you can give her a warning of trespass.
Can you go grab her and I'll just kind of hang out here with them? The only thing we can really do today, obviously, she has the right to her property. You know what I mean, and I see you're obviously being cooperative, trying to, which is the only thing to do that makes sense. And obviously, that's her son. So maybe just try and give it a couple days and talk to her, or no,
I don't want
all
to do
done.
that.
I got
I've
you,
been doing
dude.
this for 4 years now.
Yeah, I hear you. Copy. I'm coming up.
Getting in?
No, you're fine.
Right.
Is she up here?
Yeah.
They were trying to tell me she walked out in the parking lot.
Well, they saw the door open. And
Okay.
they thought it was her, but it wasn't.
It's not because it's your ass. You want to be laughing.
Listen, if he says that's not yours, you're gonna have to give that
No, he
back.
says it's not mine. I'm not going to have to give it back. You're
They got in your
and I said it.
Why are you acting like that all of a sudden?
Because why are you acting like that all of a sudden?
I'm not.
You was good until she pulled up. You scared? You scared of a Mr. Patton? You scared of Patton?
What are we talking about?
Exactly. You weren't just acting like this downstairs until she pulled up.
I'm not.
Now it's something different. You scared of Pussy Patton? I guess you are.
Okay.
I'm taking the stairs. She'll take them damn long. If he says it's not mine, the fuck type of shit is that?
I don't know if you have anybody who's listening wants to trespass from here.
Yeah.
You can have
Is that all hers or yours?
This is mine. She also has a
yeah.
battery starter
You see the hairline,
for a car
bitch?
for me that she has.
Yeah, we're not gonna do the property thing.
hell yeah, that's why you don't want to stare.
So-
The police all fucking because they scared of vagina.
Yeah.
You got no acceptance?
Anyway, I don't know what happened to her.
That's what I tell you. This is it.
No, I get it.
My
Yeah.
boards everywhere. Our shit was spread.
So
the
it's
fuck
clear
out.
now she
Everywhere.
has no rights inside this building anymore, and that's per management, obviously. Since now I understand,
Right.
So we'll trespass her.
Do you have her info? I don't.
I already ran her.
What's her
She was
name?
the RO. I didn't write her stuff down. She didn't have her DL.
Oh, do you remember her name?
Nicole. We'll be here for a minute. If you see something else you want to bring down, then bring it.
You
But
acting like you scared and
knock it off. What's wrong with you?
him.
You're acting like a.
I'm
piece of
acting
work
like
right
what?
now.
You acting like you scared.
Get
Come
over
on
there.
now.
You're gonna
You just
find
told me I
yourself
could go
going to
upstairs, and
jail.
now you're telling me I can't because of him.
Yeah, you're good. Go ahead, dude. She won't
you
go
gonna
back in.
beat you if I hate like you.
Why he still got Dominic stuff up there? Dominic on probation. He can't leave this area.
Well, unfortunately, with her behavior now, we're not doing this anymore. So
Thank God.
no, she's not. They don't. Management's there. They said she's not welcome back in.
I ain't never been welcome back in.
I'm not
Shut the hell up. I can't wait to get off this damn. Oh, I would
My
have
brother's
so
on
that
the
I
Yeah.
don't never have to know.
Hold on,
Again in
but
my
don't
fucking
go
life.
No,
back
he's
up
on the
there.
leave.
Listen to me.
He's on the leave.
It doesn't matter at this point.
Yeah,
Okay.
it does. I need my stuff.
It's not enough.
We're not
There's
gonna-
no point. He's scared of. He's controlled by that there.
I need my
Ain't no
stuff.
point in listening to him.
I don't
What?
got
He's
nothing.
controlling
I
him.
started school.
You arguing with him?
I'm not arguing with him. I'm talking to Junior.
That's all.
We're not gonna. What was your name, bud? That's your mom, right? Yeah. So listen, I know that's your mom, and you're just.
But I'm on the lease though. Like, I live with
I
him.
know, but right now with the way she's acting, there's no way you guys are going back inside. That
No,
includes
he-
you,
no,
buddy.
he didn't-
Listen to me. I don't.
he can
It
go
doesn't.
in there.
No, I'm telling you no. Stop telling him that, okay?
No, but
Because I'm
he
telling
can go
you.
in there.
I'm
He's
telling
on the
him
leave.
that we're not doing that. You're taking custody of your son, correct?
Hell yeah.
Then he's done. He's not going back in. Okay? He's gonna go upstairs and grab their other things and come back down.
Get
Okay?
Dominic stuff. All of it. All of Dominic stuff. Because I need to bring it to you.
You need to get it out your car because we gave you that stuff and you trying to hold it.
If there's anything missing, it's civil. Okay? You'll have to take him to
I'll
civil.
take the motherfucker to court. That's a bitch there. Traitor. That's a traitor. That motherfucker traitor.
Where are you guys staying?
You don't stay anywhere. You stay in the car. That's why I need my stuff. Because I'm going back to school.
Yeah.
today.
He doesn't want to keep your all stuff. He made it clear he doesn't want her here or have a reason to come here. So
Well, then I don't know why all of our stuff is not down. I just need.
he's gonna go double check. You heard him. He's gonna go double check. He'll bring it down.
It doesn't matter. He's a liar. He lies. It doesn't matter what
Okay. If he's lying, I don't know either way. But
we can't go over there to get our stuff.
you guys cannot. Nobody here could go back in there.
What about if Dominic came here since he's not even here?
If
with
you
us?
guys make arrangements at some other date, some other time, that's fine. But right now, because of the way she's behaving, it's causing a disturbance, okay? And other people are out here now wondering what's going on. We're not going to continue that, okay? She wants custody of him, so he's out here.
She's been had custody.
Oh, they trying to put somebody in underwear in here. That's not mine. You see what I'm saying? No, damn well this ain't my son's underwear. My son ain't this shit. He can have this shit. I don't like to keep it. I'll give it back. I don't want her dirty shit. This shit, then you gonna put a dirty ass shirt. You can have that shit. Give me that back. I'm about to pick it up.
So if it's not yours, you can leave it there.
Huh?
Leave it there if it's not yours.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess there's nothing. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Is that it? All right, man. We're getting her out of here. Just head back inside.
All right, thank you.
We're done with it. All right. So listen. Hey, real quick. That kid, don't even bring him back here. Don't invite him. Tell them to take him off the leash or something.
yeah, I
so
did.
that because if he comes here,
I
then
did. Yeah, there's more.
you know what I mean.
Trouble.
That's all. All right. I hear you.
Don't put that thing.
Mommy, get off my mom! Get off my mom!
Stop.
Get off my mom! Get off my mom!
Relax.
Get off my mom!
Get off.
Get off my mom! Get off
Get
my
off.
mom!
If you, it's just gonna get worse. Stop. Hey, if you we're not gonna make it. Hey, it's done. It's done, buddy. It's done. It's done. It's done. Hey, it's done. She's fine. I can't help her if you're over here. I can't help her if you're over here.
Help her and you're not helping her. No, get off me! Mommy,
Yeah. Here, I'll buy something. Send me another one. Okay.
okay. No! Mind your business! You shut up, ugly bitch! Come up here, beat my ass! I'll beat your I'm over here, school time! Go ahead!
Negative. We got one in custody.
I'm sorry. I'm good. I'm good. I'm
Hey.
good.
Go inside. Ma'am, go inside. You're not helping us.
Mommy, my business. This ain't your business. Go y'all right ass out here. Mind my business. Come down here. Run my motherfucking way, bitch.
Hey, hey,
Talk about my mother. You have to go up there, bitch.
hey.
I'm
No,
gonna go
no,
up there, bitch. Stop, bitch. Come out here, hoe. Scary out, hoe. You up there.
What are you doing?
You up there. What are you talking about?
Stop.
And you a wet shot, you ugly ass bitch. That's what the fuck you
Hey.
are, hoe.
Hey, I need you for him, okay? If you keep doing that, you're gonna go in handcuffs, okay? Do you hear me?
Get that ugly.
I ain't worried about her. She's being stupid. Let her be stupid.
Be mad, hoe.
Did I come across?
I have no idea. Go. Stop talking so I can talk to her for a second. Go inside. You're making things worse. Please. If you keep doing this, being verbal with people, I'm gonna put you back in the car, okay?
Why she not?
I ain't worried about it. She's got nothing to do with this. You do though. So relax.
I'm alright. Don't cry.
You want to put her in the back of your car?
I'm alright.
Yeah, I'm sure you are, but we're gonna go back in the car.
Tell her to
You wanna
come
take her and
outside.
check her?
Yeah.
I'll go with you. You got gloves actually? Here, put gloves on. That's your daughter, right? Is that your daughter?
Yeah, that's my daughter.
How old is she?
15.
Anybody else like to take care of them? 'Cause you're going to jail.
Not right now.
So we don't have anybody that we can call like him.
I'm gonna let go of you, okay?
Yeah. Can I get a cigarette real quick? If I want to get locked up, can I leave my cigarette? It's right there.
Absolutely not. I mean, it's up to her, but if I had to say in that,
Yeah, but I'm not going to uncuff you so you can smoke.
You ain't gotta be uncuffed. You ain't gotta uncuff me. I think we need.
On a smoke cuff?
Yeah.
Once the EMS check out, we'll figure it out because we have to wait for the kid. Yeah, exactly. Nobody comes to EMS check out, we'll figure it out.
was she, do you have enough for resisting with violence, or?
Yep. So the reason I grabbed her is because she said she wasn't signing anything, I was like, okay, so I'll just put it in your car. Don't put it in. And she came and she literally like shook me.
That,
So when
as soon as I turned, I saw that.
yeah, when she shook me,
Yeah.
that's when I grabbed her.
Gotcha. So resisting battery on Leo, resisting with violence?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
She getting arrested?
Oh yeah, but she hit her. You can't hit a cop, and you're gonna go to jail if you do that, okay? We don't want to do that. I've been nothing but nice to her and you guys, and listen,
Then where are we going?
buddy, I don't know what to tell you right now, okay? We'll figure it out. We're not gonna leave you guys.
Where's my mom going?
She's getting arrested.
She's going to jail.
Why she
Battery
getting
on law
arrested?
enforcement. She struck the deputy.
Where we going?
Not sure. We'll figure it out. We're not leaving you guys here. Obviously, someone will be here for you.
Where are they going?
Yeah, we'll call DCF, and it's going to be up to them where they place you. Okay.
How long does she stay here, like arrested for?
I mean, she'll get bond and stuff. I don't know her history or anything. So.
The officers.
We've been calling and calling and calling you.
She has
I told you I don't have a cell phone.
Oh, you didn't tell me.
Oh, the lady I talked to, I
Oh.
told her I don't have a cell phone.
Oh.
Cell phone.
She has a house phone.
Where's it's a house
It's a house phone.
You need a cell. It's 20, 25.
She can't see screen. It makes
I
her
can't.
hacker.
You're like 52 years old.
Excuse me, my eyes will not allow me to. The light from them.
They actually have the flip phone still with bigger numbers. My dad used to have one.
I have one, but it's a pain.
Oh, okay. So are you willing to take custody of these two? Okay, you were trying to get somebody I know.
Grandmother. I'm their great grandmother.
Well, we're gonna call
Okay.
Grandma.
Where's Grandma?
Lord, she's
Yeah,
in
where's-
Georgia.
Well,
She's
that-
6
yeah.
hours away, and I'm not gonna have her come here. No.
Well, DCF's gonna have to get involved to transfer out of state and all of that.
To transfer us out of state?
Mm-hmm.
Is me and Junior not gonna get separated?
Yeah.
We're not gonna get separated?
I don't know.
Oh, my sister. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna get
Anyways,
separated. We should.
so you'll take them for now and then go from there?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, civil standby. In Florida, deputies cannot supervise contested property exchanges absent a court order. The reason is doctrinal. Officers cannot adjudicate ownership without due process. A forced transfer of disputed property under color of law exposes the agency to Section 1983 liability. The lawful remedy is replevin under Florida Statute Chapter 78. A civil action filed in county court. A 911 call cannot substitute for service of process. Second, the speech analysis. Under City of Houston versus Hill, the First Amendment protects profanity directed at police officers. That protection does not extend automatically to profanity directed at a private third party in a public setting. Florida Statute Section 877.03 criminalizes conduct that affects the peace and quiet of persons who may witness it. Florida courts have narrowed the statute to avoid First Amendment overbreadth, but its surviving core reaches sustained, disturbance-creating public confrontation. Third, trespass. Under Florida Statute Section 810.09, a person who remains on property after authorization is revoked commits a misdemeanor. The moment property management revoked authorization, continued presence carried independent legal exposure. Fourth, the misdemeanor to felony conversion. Under Florida Statute Section 784.07, a battery against a law enforcement officer engaged in lawful duty is reclassified from a first-degree misdemeanor to a third-degree felony. Florida Statute Section 843.01, resisting an officer with violence, is independently a third-degree felony. Florida charges these as separate offenses arising from a single physical act. The combined statutory exposure is up to 10 years in state prison and $10,000 in fines. Fifth, the use of force. Graham versus Connor establishes that reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision. The factors are the severity of the offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. Soft, empty hand control, applied after a verbal warning and following contact initiated by the subject, sits at the lowest defensible tier of the use of force continuum. No Fourth Amendment violation is supportable on this record. Grades. The deputy receives a B+. Correct application of standby policy, named conditional warning, minimum necessary force, and child welfare arranged before transport. The subject receives a D. Sympathetic posture forfeited through sustained escalation, ignored warnings, and one act of physical contact, triggering 2 felony charges. The cooperating resident receives an A- for consistent civilian professionalism. The Charlotte County Sheriff's Office receives a B for clear policy execution and footage transparency. 3 takeaways. First, property disputes belong in civil court. Replevin is slower than a 911 call, but it is the only remedy producing a lawful, enforceable transfer. Second, a verbal warning from a uniformed officer is a legal instrument. Compliance preserves rights. Non-compliance creates probable cause. Third, in Florida, 1 moment of physical contact with a deputy converts a manageable misdemeanor into 10 years of statutory exposure. The cost of an unrecoverable second is measured in years. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this content informative or compelling, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, so you'll be the first to know when we release new uploads. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the most fascinating police interactions, courtroom proceedings, and real-world legal moments. And there's a lot more on the way. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next one.